Are you wondering how to sell digital products online without spending a fortune on ads? You're not alone, but the truth is, with the right strategy, anyone can start selling digital products online and build a steady stream of income. In this video, I'll break down how to sell digital products online using 5 proven platforms that drives traffic and converts clicks into customers. Also, in this video, I review the top 5 platforms available for digital product sellers, providing you with a comprehensive step-by-step overview of each option. At the conclusion of this video, you will have all the information you need to start your journey selling digital products online. Let's get right into the video now. 1. Shopify. Shopify stands out as a highly recommended platform for digital product sellers, offering a robust suite of features tailored to meet the needs of e-commerce entrepreneurs. One of its key strengths is the extensive customization options available, allowing sellers to create a unique storefront that reflects their brand identity. With a variety of themes and templates, users can easily design an appealing online presence that resonates with their target audience. Additionally, Shopify's e-commerce capabilities are top-notch, providing integrated payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools that streamline the selling process. One of the significant advantages of Shopify is its user-friendly drag-and-drop functionality, which simplifies the setup and management of your online store. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may not have extensive technical skills, enabling them to create a professional-looking site with ease. Furthermore, Shopify is designed for scalability, making it an ideal choice for sellers looking to grow their businesses over time. As your product offerings expand and your sales volume increases, Shopify can accommodate your needs without requiring a complete overhaul of your platform. However, it's essential to consider the cons associated with using Shopify. One of the primary drawbacks is the pricing structure, which can be a barrier for some new sellers. Monthly subscription fees, along with additional costs for premium themes and apps, can add up quickly. Moreover, when selling digital products, there may be transaction fees that apply, depending on the payment gateway you choose. These costs can impact your overall profitability, so it's crucial to factor them into your pricing strategy. Despite these challenges, Shopify remains a powerful option for digital product sellers, offering a blend of customization, functionality, and scalability. These features can help drive success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. 2. Hostinger. Hostinger emerges as an affordable alternative for hosting digital products. This makes it an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to minimize costs while still accessing essential features. One of the standout aspects of Hostinger is its competitive pricing, offering various plans that cater to different budgets. Users can take advantage of low monthly rates, which include essential features such as web hosting, domain registration, and even an AI website builder tool. This AI-driven feature simplifies the website creation process, allowing users to design their online stores quickly and efficiently, even without prior technical knowledge. A significant advantage of using Hostinger is the absence of transaction fees, which can be a considerable benefit for digital product sellers. Many platforms impose fees on sales, eating into profits, but with Hostinger, you can list and sell your products without worrying about additional costs per transaction. This feature, combined with the ease of listing products, makes it straightforward for sellers to manage their digital inventory and streamline their sales processes. However, there are limitations to consider when opting for Hostinger. One notable restriction is the limitations on file types that can be uploaded, which may affect sellers with specific digital products that require unique formats. Additionally, while the AI website builder is user-friendly, it may not offer the same level of customization as more advanced platforms. This could be a drawback for those looking to create a highly tailored online presence that reflects their brand identity. In summary, Hostinger provides an affordable and accessible option for hosting digital products, with features that support ease of use and cost-effectiveness. However, potential users should weigh the limitations against their specific needs to determine if it aligns with their business goals. Having a custom domain is crucial for establishing professionalism in digital sales, as it significantly enhances your brand's credibility and visibility. A custom domain can provide a distinct advantage in the e-commerce landscape. A domain, store, extension immediately communicates to potential customers that your website is dedicated to selling products, making it easier for them to identify your business's purpose. This clarity can improve your search engine visibility, helping you attract more organic traffic and increasing your chances of converting visitors into customers. Moreover, a customized domain store can strengthen your branding efforts. It allows you to create a memorable online presence that aligns with your business identity. A unique domain name can set you apart from competitors, making it easier for customers to recall your site and return for future purchases. Additionally, many domain registrars offer discounts and promotional advantages when purchasing a .store domain, making it a cost-effective investment for new businesses. These savings can be particularly beneficial for entrepreneurs just starting, as they can allocate resources to other critical areas of their business. Investing in a custom domain is not just about aesthetics, it's about building trust with your audience. Customers are more likely to engage with a professional-looking website that features a custom domain rather than a generic one. A well-branded domain can enhance your marketing efforts, as it can be easily shared across social media and other platforms, driving traffic back to your store. In conclusion, securing a custom domain, especially a .store domain, is a vital step for anyone serious about digital sales. It enhances professionalism, boosts visibility, and fosters trust, making it a worthwhile investment for your business's long-term success. 3. Gumroad. Gumroad is an excellent user-friendly platform for new digital product sellers, particularly for those looking to enter the market without a steep learning curve. One of the standout features of Gumroad is its simplicity in uploading products. Sellers can quickly add their digital items, whether they are ebooks, music, or software, with just a few clicks. This ease of use is complemented by the lack of upfront costs, allowing creators to start selling without the burden of initial investments. This makes Gumroad an attractive option for entrepreneurs who may be hesitant to commit financially before generating sales. Another significant advantage of Gumroad is its built-in marketplace, which provides exposure to a wider audience. By listing products on Gumroad, sellers can tap into an existing community of buyers actively seeking digital goods. Additionally, Gumroad offers content protection measures, ensuring that creators' works are safeguarded against unauthorized distribution. This feature is particularly important for digital product sellers, as it helps maintain the integrity of their offerings and protects their intellectual property. However, there are some drawbacks to consider when using Gumroad. One of the primary cons is the high fees associated with sales. While there are no upfront costs, Gumroad takes a percentage of each transaction, which can add up quickly, especially for new sellers with lower-priced products. This fee structure can impact overall profitability, making it essential for sellers to factor these costs into their pricing strategies. Furthermore, Gumroad offers limited customization options for storefronts, which may hinder sellers looking to create a unique brand identity. In summary, Gumroad provides a straightforward and accessible platform for new digital product sellers, with its ease of use and built-in marketplace. However, potential users should weigh the high fees and customization limitations against their specific needs to determine if it aligns with their business goals. 4. Podia. Podia is an all-in-one platform designed for selling a variety of digital products, making it an appealing choice for creators looking to streamline their online business. One of Podia's standout features is its membership options, allowing users to create subscription-based offerings that provide ongoing value to customers. This capability is particularly beneficial for creators who want to build a loyal community around their content. Additionally, Podia does not charge transaction fees, which means that sellers can keep more of their earnings, making it a financially attractive option for those just starting out. Another significant advantage of Podia is its robust customer support. Users have access to responsive assistance, which can be invaluable for those navigating the complexities of selling digital products. This support, combined with Podia's customization capabilities, allows creators to tailor their storefronts to better reflect their brand identity. While Podia offers a range of templates and design options, it still provides a level of flexibility that can help users create a professional and engaging online presence. However, there are some drawbacks to consider when evaluating Podia. One notable con is the changing pricing structure, which can create uncertainty for users as they plan their budgets. As Podia evolves, its pricing may shift, potentially impacting long-term financial planning for creators. Additionally, while Podia does offer customization options, it may not provide the same level of flexibility as platforms like Shopify. This limitation can be a drawback for those who desire extensive control over their store's design and functionality. In summary, Podia serves as a comprehensive platform for selling various digital products, featuring membership options and no transaction fees. While it offers good support and customization capabilities, potential users should weigh the changing pricing and limited customization against their specific needs to determine if it aligns with their business goals. 5. Etsy. While Etsy is a popular platform for selling handmade and vintage items, it is generally not recommended for selling digital products, and my personal experiences reflect this sentiment. One of the most significant challenges I encountered was the platform's fee structure. Etsy charges listing fees, transaction fees, and payment processing fees, which can quickly add up and eat into profits. For digital products, where margins can already be tight, these costs can be particularly burdensome. Additionally, I faced the risk of shop shutdowns due to policy violations, which can happen unexpectedly and without much warning. This uncertainty can be detrimental for sellers who rely on a consistent income stream from their digital offerings. Another major hurdle is gaining visibility on Etsy. The platform is saturated with sellers, making it challenging for new digital products to stand out. Competing against numerous similar offerings can lead to a race to the bottom in terms of pricing, forcing sellers to lower their prices to attract buyers. This competitive pricing environment can diminish the perceived value of digital products and make it difficult to maintain profitability. Moreover, Etsy limits branding opportunities for sellers. The platform's design and layout prioritize Etsy's branding over that of individual sellers, which can hinder efforts to create a unique brand identity. This lack of control over branding can make it challenging to build a loyal customer base, as buyers may not associate their purchases with a specific seller but rather with Etsy as a whole. In conclusion, Etsy may seem like an attractive option for selling digital products. But the combination of high fees, visibility challenges, and limited branding opportunities makes it less than ideal. Sellers looking to establish a sustainable digital product business may find more success on platforms that offer greater control and lower costs. We discussed various platforms, including Shopify, Gumroad, Hostinger, Podia, and Etsy, highlighting their unique features, advantages, and limitations. Each platform offers distinct benefits tailored to different types of sellers, making it essential for you to consider your specific needs and preferences when selecting the best fit for your digital product sales. Understanding these elements will help you make an informed decision that aligns with your business goals and enhances your chances of success in the competitive digital marketplace. We encourage you to engage with this content by sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Have you used any of the platforms we discussed? What has been your experience? Your insights could be invaluable to fellow viewers navigating their own digital product journeys. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on digital sales and entrepreneurship. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who may benefit from this information. Thanks for watching.